Welcome to my channel Online Earning Course. In this video we learn about how to earn money online through Instagram Let's Play.
Welcome to section 2 of our Instagram Marketing 3.0 video training. Marketing on Instagram step by step. In this section, we're going to teach you step by step how to use Instagram as a powerful marketing tool. In this section, you will learn how to set up your Instagram for Business profile, how to manage your Instagram business settings, how to post and share your marketing content the right way, what are Instagram stories and how to create your own, what is Instagram advertising, and what types of ads can you create on Instagram. So, allow us to take you by the hand and show you how to set up your Instagram for Business profile. We hope that you enjoy and make the most out of what you're about to learn, so let's get started. Set up Instagram for Business. Okay. So to properly market and promote your business as well as your offers on Instagram, you will need to operate as a business profile by switching from a personal Instagram account to a business Instagram account. Doing so is quite easy, and you will simply need to start by logging into your personal Instagram account from your smart device of choice by either entering your registered phone number, your registration email, or your Instagram username, entering your password, and then tapping on Login. In our case, we are going to log in using our username. Then we will simply enter our password and we'll tap on Login. Okay, once you are inside your account, look for the profile icon on the lower right corner on your device's screen and tap on it. Now, here comes the first step. Look for the 3-dotted button located on the top right corner on your screen and tap on it. You will be taken to the Options section, from where you will be able to configure your Instagram account settings. So let's move on to the next step by going to the Account menu. There, simply look for the Switch to Business Account tab. Tapping on this tab is what will allow you to use Instagram as a business entity so you can access and use Instagram's business tools. Before tapping on this tab though, look at the Private Account option below the Switch to Business Account tab and tap on the Switch button on the right in case that it is set as On to make your account public, and then tap on OK when prompted, as you won't be able to switch to a business account while your personal account is set as a private account. Cool. Now that your Instagram account is public, simply tap on the Switch to Business Account tab to get started and tap on Continue in the next screen. As you can see here, having an Instagram business account will allow you to add a phone number, an email, or a location so customers can reach you directly using a button on your profile. It will allow you to see insights about your followers and to learn how your posts are performing. And it will also allow you to create promotions that will help you to grow your business. Alright, so let's tap on the last Continue button to see what's next. The next step will require you to connect your business profile with your Facebook business page. Start by tapping on the Choose Page tab. First, you will be asked to continue to Facebook using your account of choice. In our case, we are going to continue using our default Facebook account, the one that we are signed into on our device. So make sure to be signed into Facebook on your device beforehand. Then simply tap on Continue. Next, you will be asked to allow Instagram to post to Facebook for you, and you'll simply have to tap on the drop-down menu to select Public and then on OK to continue. In the next screen, you will be asked to allow Instagram to manage your pages. Simply tap on OK here as well to continue. Now in the next screen, simply select your Facebook page. In our case, we are going to select the Facebook page corresponding to our business. In case that you don't have a business page on Facebook, you can always use the Create One link located at the bottom of the screen. Once you have made your selection, simply tap on the arrow button on the top right corner. Now you'll be instructed to set up your business profile. You'll be asked for your business email, your phone number, and your business address. If some of this information is saved on your Facebook page, Instagram will pull it from there. Note that you will need to enter at least one piece of information to continue from this step, and in our case, we're going to enter our email address. You can always edit this anytime later on, and we will leave it as it is, so we can edit it in our following video. So simply tap on the OK button on top to continue. Congratulations! Now you've switched to an Instagram business account. There will be new features available so you can better promote and track your business. And in the next video, we are going to walk you through your new business settings. Instagram business settings. Hey there everyone, and welcome to the second video of section 2 of our Instagram Marketing 3.0 video training. In this video, we are going to show you how to optimize your Instagram for Business account by customizing your Instagram business settings. There are two main business settings that you will be able to edit and customize in order to complete your Instagram business account. The first set of business settings that you can edit can be found by tapping on the profile icon located on the bottom right corner of the screen, and then tapping on the Edit Profile tab. Now, the first few settings are the same that you were able to edit on your personal Instagram account, including your name, your username, your website, and your bio. Your name and your username are fine as they are, as long as they're correct and reflect your own business name. In the website field, you have to enter your main business website URL. In our case, we are going to enter our diabetescaremadeeasy.com. In the bio field, you have to enter a brief description of your business, just like we're describing ours as you can see here. The next set of settings are your business contact settings. Your Facebook page as well as a category are already set and cannot be edited from this section, so simply tap on Contact Options. In this section, you will be able to edit your business contact settings. More specifically, these are the contact settings that you can show to your followers and account visitors. First is your business contact email. We recommend you to set up a dedicated email address with your website domain as your contact email. In our case, we are going to insert our support@diabetescaremadeeasy.com as our business contact email. Then you have to enter your business phone number. Start by selecting your country's phone code, enter your number, and then select whether you can be contacted by a call or by text. Then you'll enter your business address, which is as easy as entering your street address, selecting your city or town, and then entering your zip code. Check that all of your contact information is correct, and then tap on the confirmation icon to save and go back. Lastly, let's take a look at the private information below. This is your private account information, including your email address, your contact phone number, and your gender. You will need to confirm your contact number by entering the confirmation code that Instagram will send to your phone. This information can only be accessed by you. Make sure that everything in this section is correct, such as making sure that your name is no longer than 30 characters. Then tap on the confirmation icon in the top right corner to save and go back so you can check the next business settings. Let's now go over the three dotted button on the top right corner of your profile to go to your account settings. In this section, you have to look for the business settings menu, where you will be able to see three options. The first one is the payments option. In this section, you will be able to set up a payment method which you will later use to pay for your advertisements. Your default payment method will be the one that you are currently using on your Facebook ad account, but you will be able to also set up two additional payment methods by tapping on the Add a Payment Method link. The two payment methods available are credit or debit card and PayPal. Before setting up a payment method, tap on the Billing Country tab to select the billing country address corresponding to your payment method of choice. To add a credit or debit card as your payment method of choice, simply tap on the credit or debit card link and enter the credit or debit card information that you will be asked, including your card number, your card's expiration date, your card security code, and your card's billing zip code. Once you have entered the corresponding information, tap on the confirmation button on the top right corner to save it. If you want instead to add PayPal as your payment method of choice, simply tap on the PayPal link from the Select Payment Method screen. Log into your PayPal account when prompted and complete the on-screen steps that follow after. Let's now move over to the Branded Content Approvals tab on the Business Settings menu. You can turn the Require Approvals lever on or off depending on whether you want other business accounts to tag you on their posts. We recommend you to leave this setting off so other businesses can tag you, which will help you to increase your reach. The last option available on the Business Settings menu is a switch back to personal account, which you can use in case that you decide to revert back to your old personal account settings, but keep in mind that you won't be able to promote your content as efficiently if you go back to your personal account. And these are your business settings. Remember that you can always edit them by visiting their corresponding sections through your profile and through your account settings. Follow us in the next video so we can show you how to post and share with your new business account the right way.